So Dwight and the guys from BackersHub have asked me to start reviewing a few of the fun things I get from Kickstarter and Indiegogo. I back quite a few projects, if those of you know me on the page. So let's get to it. This particular item is the new WingLights360 from Cycle. This is the second similar device that they've come up with. This is just a kind of a simple idea, and I just do this to kind of start off my little reviews here. But it's actually quite a handy little thing. I have the earlier ones, but they've evolved them a little bit. So let's get right into what these are. So you can see it's called WingLights Mag, or 360 Mag. What they are is, let's take one of these off here. So what they are is this little thing. So here's how it would work. Get this back together here. So what it is it's a bike light. So this is the right side. So this is a bike light that you would put into the end of your handlebar. So if this was your handlebar, you would stick it in like that so it sticks out. And what you do is you tighten it in your handlebar, and you can kind of see, maybe you can't see, but this area here is kind of soft and rubbery, and it's getting bigger. It's getting squished in, so it would grab into your handlebar and kind of be permanent there. So what you do is so let's think of that as your handlebar, and then if you push this, you get a cool red light for the back and white light for the front. And then when you press the end, you get a turn signal. So that's handy. It's not horribly bright, but probably bright enough that you would be noticed. And if you notice like I said, it would stick out from your handlebar, so it would be pretty visible. So you can do that at night. So the night is you have the lights on, the red and the white, and then I guess during the day you can just do the blinkers and you just bump the end. It's pretty handy. Now, something like this, you always worry about it getting stolen. So the guys at Cycle kind of were bright. The first ones, they were just magnetic, so they kind of just clasped in, but some of them fell off, I think, was the complaint. So these have a little bit of a twist, and the magnets, I think, a little bit stronger. You gotta give it a... So then you have this. You can leave that in your bike, and it doesn't look like much, but the device you take and put in your pocket, and they actually give you a kind of a little keychain thing here you can attach it to. So if you were thinking about, like, maybe if you're a backpack or something, you can put that in. They give you a little carabiner here. So you put that on like that. Let's get the other one off. So you can stick them together like that. So you can clasp that onto your bag or whatever, so you don't have to leave it. Don't have to leave it on your bike and have them get stolen. Now these are rechargeable USB. I haven't quite figured out how that works yet, so I'll have to figure that out. But they give you the little USB cable. Figure out where you plug that in exactly. But yeah, so you click that to your bag, and so you can take your electronics. And these again just leaves a little stub in the end of your bike there. Now these are made pretty well. They're definitely metal and heavy, so I think they'll hold up pretty well. And I guess they say you can have this on your keychain, though I don't know. It's pretty strong, but I don't know how well that holds on your keychain. So you can of course go into flashing mode or just into the regular red light. And there, if you can see kind of both of them together. It doesn't come through so well, but this one's red and that one's white. And again, you would ride your bike like, let's say, like that. So that would be the back. It's obviously stuck out on the end there. That's the front. You get a little bit of a brightness. So that again is the WingLights 360 Mag. Again, it's a second product from this company, Cycle. You can see they've been seen on Dragon's Den as well, which is, for those of you that don't know, that's Shark Tank in Canada. So you can, again, they give you a little bit of instructions here. And back, just hold for 4 seconds to activate the side lights, and then tap to dim the turn signals. And then you get a smart keychain with the carabiner. So they'll give you a cable. It looks like they give you an extra one of these rubbery things that kind of expand in case that goes out. And that's it. Again, they're built pretty well. I'll have to put them on my bike and see how they work, but they look to hold on to these pretty well. Ooh, that's the wrong side. Go on there. That's good. So yeah, so it holds on. It's nice and metal, and it's pretty. So again, one more time. WingLights360 mag from Cycle. Hope you enjoyed this review. I'll get better, I promise, and I'll bring some more of my cool projects that I get. I've backed quite a few, and I'll do new ones, and maybe I'll dig out some of my favorites. You can see some of them on my desk here. Probably like the one of my favorite producers, our friends at Strong Like Bull Magnets. I've got quite a few of those. This was a fun one, just as a preview. This is a fun one. It's a cup that keeps your drinks warm. So I've got all kinds of things to show you guys. I hope these are helpful. And again, as there's new ones, new items that come, I'll review those. And again, I'll kind of go through some of my favorites. So hope this is helpful and look forward to your comments.